Namaskar friends, good morning. Welcome to the first video lecture of your economics, and today we are going to start your new chapter. That is what first chapter is: economic environment, meaning and factors affecting economic environment. So guys, before starting the lecture, I would like to tell you that please keep a pen and a notebook with you so that you can note down some important topics from this chapter that I will tell you during the lectures. So, as the title says that you need to understand economic environment and factors affecting economic environment. So let's understand what the environment is. What is environment? We heard this word from our primary education that environment is what the surrounding things of us. What is the surrounding things? We need air. So air is considered as an environment, a factor that is in the environment. Light, that what we have from the sunlight is also the factor that affect us. Now heat, cold, land, water, all these factors are considered in the environment, and some of them might not under the control of us. So what we need to do, we just need to adjust with the environment whatever it is. See guys, we all know very well that the environment in the winter are different, environment in the summer and the monsoon are also different. Sometimes we need to adjust with the cold, and sometimes we need to be adjusted with the heat. So what all this environment is, we need to adjust with the environment to live properly. In the same way, what is economic environment? Economic environment are the set of some factors that affect the business. If you are doing a business, there are certain factors which affect you and you cannot control them. So what you need to do is you just need to cope up with that factors, you just need to adjust with that factors to run your business properly. If you fail to be adjusted with those factors, you might have to face this loss, you need to suffer a loss. So you need to try to study the environment properly, you need to study the factors that affect your business properly, and you need to do the adjustment with it. So let's start your first chapter, that is what economic environment. We will discuss the meaning first. Economic environment, see guys, I have taken this PDF from the photocopy, so it might possible for you that you cannot read the content well, but no need to worry about it. You just need to focus on the main points that are written in the PDF. Otherwise the rest of the explanation that I will explain you during the lectures. So here we have the some basic explanation about the environment. What is it? I have already explained with you that there are some factors for the business like culture, workplace, and many other such factors that we will discuss during the lectures that affect the business. And first of all, we will start the chapter with two basic definitions given by the different economics. So let's read according to Barry M. Richman and Melian Copen. Here the definition is environment factor or constraints are largely, it is largely, if not totally, it is largely means most of external and beyond the control of individual industrial enterprises and their management. These are essentially the givers within which firms and their management must operate in a specific country, and they need to be adjusted with it. So what the environment is, environment means there are certain factors which affect the business and are beyond the control of the enterprises. So what the business need to do, business need to be adjusted with it, whether it is a individual firm, whether it is a company. So whatever it is, he just need to study the environment, he just not need to study the factors that affect the business, and he need to be adjusted with it. Now what the other definition is, we have the other definition on the screen, that is from Williams F. Gluck and Lawrence. The definition is environment includes factors outside the firm. Environment includes factors outside the firm which can lead to opportunities for or threats to the firm. Although there are many factors, the important of these factors are socio-economic factors, technological factors, supplier, competitors, and governments. So guys, uh, if we have read the definition, we can get through 2 points. There are some outside factors, there are some internal factors. So internal factors are the factors on which a business or a firm can control. He can manage those factors to